This is the brief on the Rule of 114. You know, the Rule of 114 is supposed to be this great shortcut for figuring out when your investment will triple. But the textbook version? Well, it's pretty misleading because it completely ignores the real-world friction from things like taxes and inflation. Okay, first let's cover the standard formula. You just divide 114 by your annual return rate. So, if you've got a 12% return, you're looking at tripling your money in about 9.5 years. This really drives home that tripling your wealth isn't a quick flip. It's usually a decade-long commitment. Second, you absolutely have to adjust for your net return. That shiny 10% return you see on a brochure, that's not what you actually pocket. Once you take out management fees and taxes, you're probably looking at a real return closer to 7.5%. You have to use that number for your calculation, or your timeline will be way off. And finally, even if you account for fees, there's inflation. See, while Rule 114 is tracking your money's growth, the Rule of 70 shows how fast that same money is losing half its purchasing power. So, while the number in your account might triple, inflation is quietly cutting what each of those dollars can actually buy. In short, stop calculating your future based on gross numbers. Use the money you actually keep to see when your wealth truly triples. It's all about seeing the real financial picture, not just the shiny brochure numbers.